Hey guys, welcome to How to Generate Leads with Facebook Ads for Local Business Owners so that you can build an email list, get more customers, and make more sales. Alright, so a few assumptions before we begin. You are a local business owner, and that means you're a chiropractor, dentist, cosmetic clinic, plastic surgeon, real estate agent, gym, or restaurant owner. Basically, you're a local bricks and mortars business, and you already have your Facebook page for your business already set up. And lastly, you have access to Facebook Business Manager. If you don't, just create an account at business.facebook.com, as we will be needing that to create ads. So what's in this course? You're going to get a step-by-step system to generate local leads with Facebook ads. You get to watch over my shoulder and see exactly which buttons I press in 5 to 10 minute bite-sized videos. Please watch out for my emails for new course updates and coupon discounts. And if you have any questions, feel free to message me on my profile page by clicking the send message button. A few best practice. So take notes, have an open mind, finish the course, take action and implement as you go along, because by taking action, that's when you'll get results. If you have any more questions, leave comments in the discussion area. It helps you and others learn. And just a bit about me, I'm the founder of amyvo.com, where I provide digital marketing strategies. I've got a degree in business and applied finance that I don't really use. And whilst I don't have any formal qualifications in marketing, I do have over 7 years experience in implementing digital marketing campaigns from SEO, PPC, Facebook ads, and sales funnels for local businesses and big brands. And I've done at least 10 certifications in digital marketing. To name a few, I'm Google AdWords certified, inbound marketing certified with HubSpot, and a customer acquisition specialist with Digital Marketer. So that's a bit about me, and I'll see you in the next video.